Hi, this is Bill, and welcome back to another hotel crash course. Let's get started. This right here is the Grab or whatever Uber pickup, and I really liked that it was right there outside. You didn't have to go find a pickup area. Here's the lobby, very helpful staff at this hotel, by the way. And a dining room. I can tell you I've had multiple things on the menu here. Everything was really good. And if you're an IHG member, they make sure that they give that number and give you a 20% discount, which is really nice. Let me jump over here real quick and show breakfast before everybody heads down. Good selection of Eastern, Western, and Indian breakfast food. So easy to find something you like. Everything was hot and fresh. Good meals here. This is a Holiday Inn Express, so it's only the standard room, but with that being said, it was more than adequate, and I really had a good stay at this hotel. This was my first stay after the earthquake, and so this was basically my recovery spot, and it did great in that regard. I enjoyed my stay here. Here we have the dresser, plenty of hangers there, slippers of course. We have the safe. Yeah, looking good. Did I forget something? That's my OCD right there, but no, everything's intact, Billy. You got it. Got your glasses and everything, extra waters. They did great on keeping me hydrated here. Of course, your refrigerator. Basic bathroom with the bum gun in the shower. Don't forget to show them the shower, Bill. Walk in there. This is a fitness center. This one was kind of small, but they did have water in there, and a couple, you can see a couple treadmills and elliptical. I usually just use the free weights for 15-20 minutes and then say I worked out, but that's more than adequate for me there. So, and you have a nice view out into the garden here on the second floor. You'll get a look at that here in a minute. Here's the laundry. I actually did use the laundry at this location. It's 2 tokens for the washer, 3 for the dryer, and they also, when you buy the tokens, the front desk gives you detergent as well as fabric softener. When the front desk thought my clothes might not have got dry, they were willing to give me another token. I thought that was just really good customer service. Here's the garden on the second floor. Nice little area. I love how they do this, even at the hotels. I mean, I've seen obviously the condos, they do amazing gardens outside, but even the hotels, they've got these nice little outdoor areas to give you a chance to get outside of your room. Here, we'll play Frogger real quick. It's funny because I thought nobody would be using this, and then the first 2 times I came down to record, somebody was here. So obviously people putting this to good use. Just a nice little area to sit outside. One more time here. do have to pay attention with the camera, otherwise I might go swimming. This location did not have a pool, by the way. But like I said, I really enjoyed my stay at this location. And you know, it's a Holiday Inn Express, so you're getting a good rate here. And speaking of gardens, we'll head up to the rooftop now. I came out here and had my first Chang. I've never had a Chang beer before this trip, and I had that up here speaking with another guest from Dallas, Texas, and both of us were just blown away by the customer service at this hotel. Just amazing value for what you're paying. Everyone that I dealt with, security, house cleaning, the front desk were super helpful, printed out multiple things just because I wanted to make sure that I had paper copies of my travel documents. The hotel staff, literally everyone that I dealt with here, were just exceptional customer service. To the point of where when I was checking out, I was just blown away by this because one of the front desk clerks that I had dealt with multiple times saw me outside waiting for my grab, and she came outside and said, you know, just want to tell you thanks for staying. Hopefully you enjoyed your stay. And she addressed me by name. I was blown away. The management at this location, they are firing on all cylinders because the entire staff here just was doing an outstanding job. And you can see they just make good use of this space. Like, you don't have to do anything fancy to give people an outdoor space to just get outside, enjoy not being trapped in a hotel room. And this location, just for general knowledge, is very close to the hospital. And I realized with the massage, there's the massage shop literally like 2 doors down. Much more enjoyable experience getting massages when you're not trying to escape the earthquake and all the craziness that day entailed. I'll put the link down below just because it's on the other channel. But I was able to recover here, and that was the main thing. And the trip started turning around for me at this location. I started enjoying myself and actually having fun. So I'm pretty sure that this place will probably hold a place in my heart for a while, and I'll end up coming back when I come through, just because I felt like the value for what you were paying was just outstanding. So thanks to the staff here, and thank you for watching another video. We'll see you soon. Until then, farewell.